Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I went ice skating today. It's actually like 2:30 in the morning, so I went ice skating yesterday, and it was the best ass experience ever. Best ass experience ever. So I will add in a few clips. I felt so bad, like so bad. I bruised my knees. I got this on my elbow, but if you don't get bruises, how will anybody know that you tried? How, what proof do you have that you tried? And it was like for 45 minutes, and it was so good. I had like, if I look back onto my life and like I had to just point out any moment, any activity which was like the most fun, in which I was so completely absorbed that I was not thinking about anything else, it had to be that. And I'm definitely going to go ice skating again. It was like 110 experience. And so like when it started out, okay, I was super confident. I'm always, one thing about me is that I am always confident, 100%. Even if there's a task that I have no clue how to do it, my confidence will take me places. I already know this. So I was already like, I'm going to do this. I'm going to ice skate on one leg. I'm going to perform like I'm in the Olympics, wherever. So when we reached there, I was the first to step in, okay? And I, in my mind, I knew that not even for 1 second am I going to hold the railing and walk. So I just went right in, and I was the first to fall. Like within 3 seconds of stepping onto it, I fell. Boom. So when you fall fast, like really early, it takes out the fear of falling later onwards. So with that out of the way, I was like fully in the zone. Like you have got to go ice skating. Please take my advice and go ice skating. I mean, like, I will not be there. I mean, I cannot give everybody personal lessons, but I am the best. And when I came back, I was like, oh man, I wish I knew how to do this earlier. I could have gone to like a next level. Like, I am so sure that if I pursue ice skating with all my willpower, I am going to exceed. Like, this is so fun, and it's like you're completely in the moment. Usually, I've already mentioned about this in a lot of my vlogs, that I struggle with being present, right? My mind is always stuck somewhere else, either in the future or either in the past. And it was like an activity, I was fully present. And I asked my friends to take a video of me, and instead of taking a video of me in like, it was my best lap, and instead of taking a video of me, they both were busy taking videos of each other, and I was like, oh, why did this not get recorded? But the best moments in the life are never recorded. And yeah, it was so fun. Like, I am making this video because just a reminder that there are so many things in the world that you yet have to try, that are going to make you happy. So never ever, and to you, to never ever feel like, oh, this is it. There are so many things to try. I have to go skydiving. I have to go that sea diving. There's so many things to go. And if I live long enough, I also want to go to the space, and I want to look at Earth from the space and see how pretty it looks. Man, I swear to God, if you're watching this video, please let me convince you, go ice skating. It's like the best experience ever. And I'm so excited. I can talk about it for hours and hours and hours and hours and hours. Like, I was the best. There was this uncle, when I came out, he told me, "Aap to ud rahe the," and I was like, "Oh, thank you so much, uncle." And this is the age where you try things. Do you think I'm going to be 50 and go ice skating? I will fall and I will break my bones. That's it. And yeah, I will put in a few clips. Really not a lot of clips, but I think one clip. And go ice skating, man. Go ice skating. And do not be one of those people who stick to the railing throughout. No, fall as much as you can. You get like 45 minutes and learn and make something out of it. Go ice skating, please go ice skating. Like, bhai, itna maza aaya. Like, I've told everybody, and still I want to talk about how great of an experience it was, so thus this video. And also, I'm so grateful that I have a YouTube channel. I'm so grateful. And lately, you know, when I started out, I was so conscious that, oh, what am I going to make a video about? Blah 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 blah. Now I'm so comfortable talking to a camera that, you know, I'm just laying in bed. It's 2:30 a.m. actually. And yeah, life is so good. Never let your world get small. Whatever things that you face, whatever things you're going to face, just do not think about it. And yeah, I love ya so much. Am I going to sleep? I don't think so. I never, you know, sometimes this still comes to me as a shock that I am not in the bed sleeping by 9 p.m. But you know, life works in strange ways, man. I sleep at around like sometimes 6 in the morning, 4 in the morning. And yeah, in fact, I was just thinking that, you know, I don't blow kisses anymore. But yes, go ice skating. It will change your life. अंदर बोला था बनाने तू बात करते यार मेरे को दुख रहा है
आज तो बैठ के बड़े